I'm trying to get this Windows 7 to upgrade to Windows 10, and I'm trying to check why it's not happening. It says it's not doing it. I've tried all different things. I'm giving up on that. I'm also uploading another video from the Yi action camera from my ride earlier today. Come on. Wait, what? Why, you've gone off? What's going on here? What's this? What's that? Cyclo. There's no end to this. Just put new bearings on, new bottom bracket, and now we're doing this. Here's my brake caliper. All the bits to do with my brakes. And what is that? Part of this. This is the basic disc brake bleed kit. There's a syringe and a cup. So what I'm doing is, this is all the old hydraulic brake fluid from the brake line, and I've just pushed it up using some of that new Cyclo stuff, which is this green mineral fluid. As you push this syringe, that increases up there. Right, got to undo the little nipple screw here, hydraulic brake fluid to flow through. So we're going to plunge that. Please see the old fluid coming through. We'll just tighten that up again, stop it dripping off. What we'll do, this actually comes with a little plastic plunger. So this thing, so we'll plunge that in here. Is that plunged in? I think so. And then we'll unscrew this carefully. So in there is all the horrible liquid. What it comes with is a little plastic cap. Where is that plastic cap? Where's the plastic cap? I got it. I got it. Here we go. So there's the plastic cap. What we do, put the plastic cap on the top. And now we can store this. You can flip it upside down. It's not going to dribble out. Just get our little bolt, which sits up here. So we'll just pop that into the brake lever. It's got a little rubber O-ring, which you've got to make sure that that doesn't fall on the ground. If you're like me, you always drop something on the floor. I mean, that's part of bike maintenance, is finding things on the floor. All that horrible stuff is in there. So we will have a look at that.
There's a street party on Friday, okay?
Oh, is that legal?
Yeah.
Oh. You know, put this new fluid into the line. Just make sure that that is tightened up. And then I'm going to come out with the Ouzo again, so I can clean up all this oil. It's getting a good looking during this lockdown, which is produced and bottled in Greece. I'm going to put this back in here. There we go. And in some cases, don't tell anyone, but I did use that in my brake hose once, because I didn't have any. I needed it. I couldn't get the shops, and guess what? It worked. Yeah, but don't listen to my advice. I'm not the one you want to be listening to. Just listen to common sense. Do you really want to put vegetable oil in your brake line? Huh? Does the job if you need to. Let's put this back in there. I want to have a good look at this fluid just to see how bad it actually was. You know, if it's half decent, I'm not going to throw it away. Let's have a look. A lot of the residue has been left in the bottom of this cup. Clean that with some Ouzo. Right, see you in a minute. Smell that. I'll put the lid back on it. It's 40%. I mean, obviously, isopropyl is what, like 90% or something. Right, so that's all nice and clean. I'm going to pop it all back on now. These are the tolerances when you look at the brake area. How close the disc runs to the adapter arm. Brilliant. Okay. Rescued actually. They're not brand new. I mean, they're new on here. Previous ones were a bit worn out. Oh, right, okay. So I'll just loosen this bolt here. So this was up too high like that. So I'm just going to drop it down a little bit. So it's sort of coming down at a better angle. Let's get some zip ties. Just cut these off. Put all this back to the right orientation, so sort of lifted this up a little bit so it would be flat. Yeah. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Might have to take this out for a little rip.
Is it the way